As the operational lifespan of Turkey's existing F-16s expires and due to the unavailability of F-35s from the U.S., Turkey sought to purchase 40 units of the new model of F-16, the fourth-generation Block 70 series, along with 79 modernization kits for its existing F-16s. The U.S. prolonged discussions on this matter, repeatedly putting Turkey's request on hold. The dynamics shifted dramatically when Turkey's indigenous fifth-generation MMU KAAN took its maiden flight on February 21, 2024, leaving Europe in awe. Meanwhile, Turkey was negotiating with Germany and Italy for the Eurofighter, as it intended to utilize these aircraft until the KAAN fighter jet entered service. However, the sales of these aircraft were stuck with Germany. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Defense unexpectedly approved Turkey's request for F-16 Block 70. The U.S. presidency also sent a proposal to the Senate for approval of the sale. Whatever happened, this sale was finalized in a single day. Turkey will receive 40 units of F-16 Block 70 and 79 modernization kits as soon as possible. Turkey plans to modernize its air defense with the upgraded F-16s until 2030. Simultaneously, the development and serial production of the National Combat Aircraft KAAN will be completed, entering the Turkish Air Force inventory by 2030. Initially, 20 units of the KAAN fighter jet will be delivered, coexisting with the existing F-16 Block 70 Vipers. Currently constituting the main striking force of the Turkish Air Force, it boasts more than 235 domestically produced F-16 Fighting Falcons, mainly in licensed configurations such as Block 30, Block 40, Block 50, and Block 50+. The most modern F-16s are the Block 50+, approximately 10 years old, while the oldest are Block 30s, averaging 30 years in age. The Block 30 F-16s are undergoing structural modernization by TUSASH, extending their service life from 8,000 to 12,000 hours, ensuring their operational capability until the 2030s. Now, let's move on to the specifications of the F-16 Block 70 Viper, acquired by Turkey from the U.S. Featuring both hardware and software similarities with F-35 and F-22 radars, the APG-83 AESA radar stands out. Legion Pod provides infrared search and track IRST capability. NALQ-254V Quant 1. Viper Shield Electronic Warfare Package. The new cockpit with game-changing equipment, APG-83. AESA radar offers advantages such as faster scanning of target areas, better resistance to electronic jamming, simultaneous tracking of both air and ground, sea targets with interleaved mod, and higher range and lower visibility capabilities compared to pulse Doppler radars. Legion Pod, an IRST system, enables passive tracking of targets through heat without emitting radar radiation, making it challenging for enemy aircraft with RWR, radar warning receiver, systems to detect their tracking. An ALQ-254V.1 Viper Shield. Electronic Warfare, packaged by L3Harris, protects the F-16 Block 70 against current threats and enhances situational awareness for the pilot. The new cockpit, with an additional large screen, facilitates easier and faster use of various systems by the pilot. With 120 new pods and capabilities, including AESA radar, the Turkish Air Force's possession of F-16 Block 70 will play a significant role in enhancing regional air power, reinforcing deterrence. It is expected that this acquisition will lead to a substantial increase in the capabilities of the Turkish Air Force, though not to the extent of the F-35 Lightning II, considering the operational readiness of the National Combat Aircraft by 2029. The potential F-16 Block 70 purchase is deemed critical for the Turkish Air Force Command. However, the acquired modernization kit's capacity is also being evaluated in light of the capabilities that could be obtained through the Özgür project using national resources. Until the next video, congratulations to Turkey on the acquisition of the new F-16 Block 70s. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and like my video.